turns into a battleground. BJP and Congress clash over Ambedkar Row. Rahul Gandhi accused of hooliganisms. The penultimate day of the parliament session erupted into unprecedented chaos on Thursday as a heated confrontation between BJP and Congress MPs spilled over into allegations of assault, hooliganism and misbehavior. Here's what led to one of the stormiest days in recent parliamentary history. Ambedkar remarks trigger storm. The controversy began earlier this week when Union Home Minister Amit Shah made a controversial remark during a Rajya Sabha address. Shah said it has become a fashion to say Ambedkar repeatedly. If they had taken God's name as many times, they would have secured heaven for 7 lifetimes. The statement sparked outrage with the Congress accusing Shah of insulting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution, and demanded his resignation and an apology. On Wednesday, Shah defended his comments, accusing Congress of twisting his words to divert attention from its alleged anti-Ambedkar and anti-reservation stance. Protests erupt Parliament. The Parliament session on Thursday started with uproar as both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned due to raucous protests by opposition MPs, including members of the Congress and India Bloc. Opposition leaders demanded an apology from Shah over his remarks, while BJP MPs accused the Congress of misusing Ambedkar's name for political gains. When the houses resumed, the tension escalated, leading to further adjournments until the following day. Scuffle at Makar Dwar. Amid this turmoil, an alleged scuffle broke out near the Makar Dwar entrance to the Parliament building. BJP MPs including Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput were reportedly injured in the melee. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh later visited the injured MPs in the hospital and described the incident as condemnable, adding, "I have never seen such behaviour in my 30 years of politics." Allegations: BJP versus Congress. The BJP accused Congress MP Rahul Gandhi of inciting violence, claiming they pushed BJP MPs while attempting to enter the parliament through the protest area. BJP MP S. Fangun Konai alleged that Rahul Gandhi misbehaved with her, saying his physical proximity made her uncomfortable. She wrote to Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, seeking protection and alleging that her dignity as a woman and member of the ST community had been hurt. Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, denied the allegations. Gandhi countered that BJP MPs had attempted to block him and other Congress MPs from entering parliament. They are trying to distract from the real issue. Amit Shah has insulted B.R. Ambedkar. This is an attempt to shift the focus, he said. Complaints and counter-complaints. The BJP escalated the matter by filing a police complaint against Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of assault and incitement under multiple sections of the Indian Penal Code, including attempt to murder and voluntarily causing grievous hurt. BJP MP D. Swaraj claimed that security personnel had offered Gandhi an alternative path to enter parliament, but he declined. In response, Congress leaders filed a counter-complaint against BJP MPs, alleging they were assaulted during the protest. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge accused the BJP of staging a conspiracy to divert attention from Shah's remarks on Ambedkar, adding that he and other Congress MPs were physically pushed during the confrontation. As Parliament heads into its final session day, the political storm shows no sign of abating, with both sides trading bops and accusations, leaving legislative business in disarray.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.